Pagpupugay sa lahat ng Bicolano sa buong mundo. Master V po, isang Bicolano, isang Oragon. One Real Talkers, tayo po ay sinuwerteng makapanayam ang isang broker na katulad ho ni Master V na purong Bicolana. Siya po ay isang single mom. Siya po ay isa rin pong real estate appraiser, member of REBAP, member of PARA. She used to work as a principal of Flores Academy Incorporated from 2009 to 2012. The one and the only, Miss Maria Nieves Flores Miranda. Magandang araw sa iyo, Miss Maria.
Hello po.
Ano ba gusto mong tawag ko sa iyo?
Marnie.
Marnie.
Oh, yeah.
O yung first letters, tsaka first letters ng first two names. And you call me Master V na lang.
Yeah.
O, kamusta ka na? Eh!
Thank you very much sa pag-invite mo sa...
No problem. You're always welcome.
Yeah. And then, being Bicolano and Bicolana.
Yeah. Special
Na-
episode ko to sa mga Bicolano.
Yeah,
and
thank you
Bicolano.
very much.
Siyempre, from Catanduanes ako. Ikaw ba saan?
Ako naman, galing ako ng Ginubatan, Albay.
Albay. So, ay sabi ni Mocha dati, nasan ba situated ang Mayon Volcano talaga?
Sa Kamsur.
Sa Kamsur.
Joke lang po. So, ang Mayon Volcano po nasa Albay.
Ayun. So, One Real Talkers, nasa Albay po, kung saan malapit po ang ating Miss Marnie. Okay. So, Miss Marnie, you are now, I remember those times, estudyante pa ba kita nun? As sa review?
Sa review.
Sabi ko, babaeng to parang parang iba ang nito, independent woman ito. Sabi ko parang hindi to basta-basta atras. Hindi ko pa alam na Bicolana ka nun. Eh, yung time na yun, kabatch mo pa yung pinsan ko, di ba?
Yeah.
Oo. So, Bicolano, mga natin, from Catanduanes naman din yun. Ang tanong ko sa iyo is, ano nararamdaman mo ngayon na yung dating hindi mo naman pinangarap, yan ka na ngayon?
Actually, ang pinakamagandang part nito is I learned to i-appreciate ko din yung sarili ko, and I don't want to be a shadow ng sister ko. Sister ko is a real estate broker din. So
how many are you ba sa family?
We are 5.
5, okay.
Yeah. So pangatlo ako. And then from
Middle
there,
child?
yeah, middle child. And then from there, I really love yung feeling na you're helping yung mga clients mo to get the house that they want, and then the investment na gusto nila mas mapalaki.
Mm-hmm. Okay, Miss Marnie, I've learned through our research na ang course mo was PS Computer Science.
Yes.
At syempre, pinagmamalaki ko bilang isang Bicolano from Bicol University. Congratulations. Grabe, ang hirap ng mga estudyante kalaban dyan sa board exam. Mga matatalino na rin yan. Bakit biglang real estate? And tell us the story behind it.
Actually, di ba, for the last, after I graduated in college from Bicol University, I worked with yung school namin. So, it's a family business. And then eventually, after umalis ako doon sa Flores Academy Inc. And then,
Principal ka dun eh.
that's a family business.
Family business.
Yeah, it's
kasi
a different
Flores yun eh.
Yeah, exactly.
Kamusta maging principal ba? I mean, ano bang mga galawan natin pag principal?
Actually, para kung may anak ng mga 500 to 600 students. So,
Hindi lang yun, pati yung mga teachers, problema mo rin pag nagkakagulo.
yeah, exactly. Wala, bearable naman.
Bearable.
And maganda naman is, ang pinakamahalaga lang naman is open communication with the employees.
Okay.
That's something na dapat laging isipin natin.
I think that's almost 4 years, no, that you worked as the principal. But analyzing your work experiences, naging ka pa rin palang member ng board of director ng isang school? Dalawang school, o yun. So, more on sa academe, pero non-related naman sa real estate until such time, bigla kang nag-liaison officer as freelance. So, yun nga, yung story behind you transitioning from non-real estate to real estate profession.
Actually, I've been to, kumbaga, more of the business side kasi talaga ako. So, related pa rin with real estate. So, after ko ng
Related ba siya sa real estate, yung academe?
Yung business.
Which is?
Yung pag-run. It's more of
Oh,
yung pag-run ng business.
operations.
Exactly. So, yun ang na. So, parehas din siya. And then, after that, my first my sister was already real estate broker
Broker.
that time. So, pumasok ako sa
Sa
Avida.
realty niya?
Yeah, no, sa Avida. That's my
Pero
project selling.
salesperson ka niya?
No, actually.
Ah,
Tingnan mo kung yung...
so illegal?
No. It's
Kalorong
not...
hindi naman?
No, I've been with Avida,
Okay.
Ayala Land.
Wait,
So,
accredited by another broker?
yes.
Not your
Pero
sister?
actually, noong 2012, hindi pa ganun. But we're under one, yung manager namin. And then, from there, they started to move forward na nila kami sa isang broker.
Okay.
Pero super madali lang, siguro around 6 months.
Oh,
And
so
then-
project selling yun?
Project selling.
Okay.
And then, nag-abroad ako.
Oh, hindi
As
ko yun alam.
OFW, yeah.
Talaga?
Yeah.
Okay, One Real Talkers, hindi ko po yun alam. Hindi po nahagip ng research. Saang bansa ito, Miss Marnie?
Sa Bahamas.
O, pasabog pa ng Bahamas. So, nandiyan ba ang mga pajamas? Charot lang ha, Real Talkers. Why Bahamas and ba't biglang doon?
Actually, I have one friend na nag-refer sa akin doon.
Di ba The Bahamas yan?
The Bahamas.
The Bahamas.
So, I have one friend na who used to work with high-end boutiques.
Okay.
So, yun nga, yung nirefer niya ako to work there. Tapos, I went there. Maganda. Business pa rin. More of the, yung high-end boutiques. Versace, Ferragamo.
So more on mga luxury brands?
Luxury brand.
Okay.
So, yun. But it took me around, less than a year. Kasi, pag marami kang ginagawa, hindi mo matututukan talaga. So,
Exactly.
parang anong tawag mo? Marami siyang, responsibilities na eventually, for me kasi, ganito yung ginagawa ko. So, kapag nagwo-work ka, pag marami ang nasa table mo, hindi mo siya matatawag dito. Parang yung forte mo, hindi mo masyado yung...
So scattered mind ka kasi.
Exactly, kasi
Ang
hindi...
hirap din momenta pag ang dami mong dalang inventories. Iba-iba pa, no?
Oo, iba-iba pa. Iba-iba yung job, description, or yung job mo, marami talaga. Like, secretary ng boss mo, sa head ng inventory, cashiering, tapos nag-manager on duty ka pa. So,
Ba't ganun yung naging job description mo? And why did you allow that to happen?
minsan kasi, pag maganda ang offer and an opportunity na hindi mo nakita sa Philippines. So, I took advantage of it. But eventually, ako yung tao na I don't want to fail. Lagi I work on top of my of the
game.
line. Yeah, palagi. I make sure na kumbaga binibigay ko yung 100% ng ko. But kung ang dami mong nasa table, hindi mo talaga mabibigyan ng panahon yan. Kumbaga, jack of all trades ka. Mahirap maging jack of all trades.
Pero masaya rin.
Exactly.
Alam mo sa sarili mo na, ay, kaya ko pala gawin itong mga to.
Yeah.
Which is, bihira lang yung mga taong gano'n.
Exactly.
You must be proud. Pero mahirap. One Real Talkers, mahirap pong maging jack of... paano yan, babae ka? So, anong tawag sa'yo?
Maria.
Maria of all
Maria of
trades.
all trades.
Okay. Sige po, handa ka na ba sa One Real Talk with Master V sa mga tanong na pupukol sa'yo ng taong bayan?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. What inspired you to pursue real estate?
The reason why I pursued real estate, it's because of my sister. She's my mentor. When she moved papunta ng US, so eventually, I don't want to be yung wala na siya na to defend me under sa name niya. But,
Growing.
yeah, lalabas ka kasi colorum. Pero ako din naman, what I did is, yung sister-in-law niya, who is also a real estate broker, doon ako nagpa-credit. Na nasa Philippines. So,
Okay.
technically, walang
Relasyon.
walang issue.
Okay.
So, I comply with the RESA law na kumbaga dapat when you practice with real estate industry, you have to be accredited real estate person. So, yun.
Okay, that's good. At gusto mo talagang ipaglaban na kaya mong tumayo sa sarili mo.
Exactly.
And congratulations that you are now full-fledged real estate practitioner.
Yeah, thank you very much.
And
Master
one
V.
take lang po ang Miss Marnie, sa Rhea, one take, sa broker, one take. Okay? Sa Reb, one take. Okay, next question, handa ka na ba?
Sure.
Okay. What is the most important lesson you've learned in your life? Sa kabila ng lahat ng pinagdaanan mo, I know very strong ka na babae. Imagine mo, isa ka lang, 3 anak. At alam ko rin yung heartache, heartbreak na pinagdaanan mo. Ramdam ko yan, kahit hindi ako babae. Ano po ang importanteng natutunan mo, Miss Marnie, sa buhay?
Yung hindi ako natutunan ko sa life ko is yung hindi ka sumusuko. You just need to see the people na kailangan nilang yung yung mga anak mo. That's the reason why every day I wake up. That's for them. And then, for me, it's more of yung pag hiningi mo kay God, lahat ng binigay mo, iakyat mo lahat ng meron ka, ibibigay din naman niya sa'yo.
Nice. So, One Real Talkers, lahat ng problema sa buhay, iakyat lang sa Kanya.
True.
Actually, naranasan ko rin, Miss Marnie, na wala ka naman talagang ibang kakampi kundi si God. Sometimes you depend on someone. Parang 100% you rely on someone. And then that someone fails to reciprocate that. So, masasaktan ka lang din.
True.
So, thank you so much, Miss Marnie. One Real Talkers, let's take it from her na kahit gaano kahirap ang buhay, wag na wag tayong didepende sa kahit sinong tao because meron pong Diyos na pwede nating lapitan. Miss Marnie, if you could advise yourself, what would you say?
Is it right now, yung sitwasyon ko? Advice right
General
now?
advice to yourself.
To advice? Sa akin naman kasi right
You're a
now.
single mom, right?
Yeah. Sa pagiging single mom naman is, just love your children. Pag nakita, kasi ang kakampi ko yung sa taas. Ang karamay ko palagi yung sa taas. So, pagdating sa pagiging mom, pag yung mga anak mo yung nakatutukan mo, lahat ibibigay yan sa'yo. So, sa side naman ng mga anak, be thankful and grateful that you have your parents na nagmamahal sa inyo. So, ako naman, Sir Vince, sa work naman, it's more of, hindi siya madali kasi you work with other people, right? Yung non-stop yung network natin siya. So, ang masasabi ko lang is, you put boundaries also to protect yourself. So, there are people na happy kung anong meron ka. There are also people na hindi. And iniintindi ko na lang din. Why? Yung indifferences yan ng mga tao. So, hindi mo hawak yan. So, ang pinakamahalaga is, you keep your integrity, you keep yung calmness mo in every situation, and then move forward. Ganun lang.
Oh, you keep your calmness in every situation and move forward. Sa lahat po ng mga pinagdaanan niyo, Miss Marnie, sa lahat po ng sinabi niyo, maraming salamat po sa inyo.
Thank you very much, Master
Nawa, One Real Talkers, sa lahat ng single mom, sa lahat ng babae na may pinagdaraanan, isang patunay na napakalakas po ng loob ng bawat kababaihan. Sa mga Bicolanong Oragon na katulad namin, tuloy ang laban. Anyway, Miss Marnie, maraming salamat sa iyo sa pag-i-inspire ng bawat Bicolanong single mom sa buong Pilipinas. Always remember, Master V is very proud of you.
Thank you. And thank you very much also, Master V, for inviting me to your show.
Welcome. Always welcome ka naman dito sa One Real Talk with Master V. And at this juncture, I would like to thank our sponsors, Eco Solution Cleaning Services, East Food Gen Boutique, and our primary sponsor, the one and the only, JMV Realty PH. Maraming salamat po, One Real Talkers. One Real Talk, one-on-one.